Warren Buffett versus Cathie Wood. Are we going inflation or deflation? We just got rug pulled, folks. Look at the chart of S&P 500. We are going down fast after getting rejected at 200 SMA. Look at MACD. We just had a bear across. It looks like the trend has changed back to a bear market downtrend. We also have a very important question we need to answer today. As Cathie Wood said, the big risk is deflation, while Warren Buffett gets the green light to buy 50% of Occidental Petroleum. Certainly betting on inflation. Who do you think is right? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks for being here today. And of course, smash the like button. Welcome back to my Audacious Witch channel, where we talk about macroeconomy, stocks, bonds, and commodities markets. If you like any of these markets, consider subscribing to my channel and please smash the like button if you've enjoyed today's video. Let's start with the founder of ARK Invest, Cathie Wood. She believes there is good deflation and bad deflation and falling commodity prices deflation. For the good deflation, she cited several DNA sequencing can lead to lower healthcare costs, Wood said, impacting prices in 20% of the economy, potentially bringing deflation to the healthcare sector, where costs have risen steadily over time. For every cumulative doubling in the number of whole human genome sequences, healthcare costs decline 40%, she said. We are only in the early days of cumulative doubling of DNA sequencing, she added, with continuous improvement and cost savings ahead. Advances in battery pack capabilities are another example of good deflation, Wood said. For every cumulative doubling of capacity in battery packs for electric vehicles, costs drop 28%, she said. Wood foresees potential deflation from a decline in artificial intelligence training costs. She said are expected to drop 37% and 50% a year. Artificial intelligence is going to permeate every sector, every industry, every company. The good deflation from innovative strategies will spur the bad deflation from the creative destructive of companies that fail to innovate, Wood said. Roughly 50% of the S&P 500 is at risk by this creative destruction, Wood said. Those companies spent the last 20 years catering to short-term investors who wanted their profits, and they want them now. Companies that are leveraging up to buy back shares and not investing enough in innovation. Now we see auto manufacturers are scrambling, and I would even say scrambling for dear life, Wood said. As demand for autonomous electric vehicles takes up, it would put a big dent in oil demand, she said. Energy stocks will see big impacts from creative destruction, according to Wood. The third source of deflation will come from falling commodity prices. We believe that there is a lot of double and triple ordering taking place right now, she said. I think supply chain management systems are getting better, so maybe it won't be as bad as it has been historically. Wood expects inventories to build to a level well above demand sometime this year, and the unwinding of them will cause the unwinding of commodity prices. We believe we are in recession. 2 consecutive quarters of GDP declines is the beginning of that definition, Wood said. We are getting all kinds of signals that the economy is very weak, Wood said. Well, most economists are saying the inverted yield curve points to a recession. Maybe next year. We believe we will be coming out of it next year. Wood also said she expects the Fed will begin ushering in interest rate cuts next year. Now, the inflation camp, let's talk about Warren Buffett's recent trades in Q2 of this year. He bought 0.44% more of Apple, which is considered a big moat company that can increase prices to deal with rising inflation. He added 1.42% more of Chevron, big oil company. He added 16.26% more of Occidental Petroleum. And most recently, he gets the green light to buy 50% of Occidental Petroleum. Warren Buffett gets the green light to buy 50% of Occidental Petroleum, but he is unlikely to pursue a full takeover for now. Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway has the green light to purchase up to 50% of Occidental Petroleum, but it probably won't try to buy the energy company outright for a while. The billionaire investors conglomerate has built a 20% stake in the oil and gas explorer and producer since February, and also holds warrants it can exercise to increase its ownership to nearly 27% on Friday. The Federal Energy Regulatory Commission approved Berkshire's request for clearance to raise its stake to 50%. Berkshire has happily plowed about $10 billion into Occidental stock this year and handed the company $10 billion in exchange for preferred stock and warrants in 2019. But there are several reasons a full takeover seems unlikely in the near future. For one, Buffett hasn't told Occidental's bosses that he intends taking a controlling stake, the Wall Street Journal reported Sunday. Citing people close to the matter, the investor famously eschews hostile takeovers in favor of friendly ones, so it's unlikely he will move to acquire the fossil fuel specialist before speaking to its bosses. Plus, Buffett has a warm relationship with Occidental CEO Vicki Hollub, and the pair speak regularly. The Wall Street Journal said, which makes a surprise offer even more improbable. Berkshire has filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission as the passive shareholder in Occidental. It would presumably have a refile of its enters into serious talks about buying the company. Moreover, Occidental stock has soared to around $70 on the news of Berkshire winning regulatory approval. Buffett, a proud bargain hunter, might balk at paying the premium to that price, likely needed to win support for an acquisition from Occidental's directors and shareholders, especially as he largely bought the stock below $60 this year. Still, Occidental's bosses think Warren Buffett might consider making an offer if oil prices fall and the company's stock gets cheaper. According to the Wall Street Journal, Occidental's board would likely take fair offer to its shareholders for a vote, one source told the newspaper. Buffett and his team may have asked for regulatory permission to increase their ownership to 50%. Not because they want to take control of Occidental, but because they want the freedom to buy more shares without breaching the standard limit of 25%. I think he could be happier at 30% or 40% ownership after the next 6 months, Cole Smead, the president of Smead Capital Management and an investor in both Berkshire and Occidental, told Insider. I don't expect him to buy it out after this filing because you wouldn't tip your hand and then take it over. Buffett may be eager to continue capitalizing on the rampant speculation on Occidental shares this year. The more shares he buys now at attractive prices, the less he has to pay if he decides to buy out the rest of Occidental shareholders. This filing teaches everyone that he loves taking advantage of the suckers at the table right now, Smead said. Look at the charts. Oil price right now is still $92 a barrel. It seems like it wants to go higher. Natural gas is at an all-time high, $9.8. Overall commodity index prices hasn't come down that much at all. Look at the German year-ahead power price chart. Breaking news, oil rose toward $92 a barrel after Saudi Arabia said OPEC Plus may be forced to cut production to stabilize prices and a lack of liquidity, meaning the OPEC Plus wants the oil prices to stay high for longer. What's happening in the oil market is because of ESG mandate stop banks from funding the oil and gas industry. The oil and gas sector has been underinvested for a long time now. After March of 2020, oil went to negative. A lot of companies shut down their drilling rigs because of the demand shock. After the stimulus money was sent out, energy demand went up so much, from the world opening up to revenge travel. We found out that we have supply issues, not enough supply, added on top of the Russia-Ukraine war. we get a 40-year highest inflation. If you are worried about the economy leading to a worse than recession, why not write a book today? Become an entrepreneur with me and start your brand new life with an abundance mindset. You can create your own future and decide how much money you're going to make. No more worries about your boss's comments or ridiculous orders. What do you want to say to your boss? Let me hear in the comment section below. Now I'm going to show you some of my clients' books. So this one is actually two of my clients, David Vine and Jema, and it's Ignite the Passion, Co-Create Your Dreams. The foreword is written by Abigail Sinclair. I'm actually going to read just a little quote from inside each book today. So dream big, work with people and mentors who have had success. Self-educate by finding online platforms that teach what we want to learn. Listen to daily training and take a step ahead by taking action to develop your skills every day. Trust and have patience on the journey. So that is a little sneak peek of Ignite the Passion. I will post the link so you can order a copy. And from Lee Vincent, the 3 most important influencers you need to meet. I did write the foreword in this one, and even if you may not known them for so long, I will actually read a quote from in here. So, can you see the bigger picture now? Money can never be your purpose in life. It can be the end product by discovering your real purpose. Know your purpose first, and all the money that you want in your lifetime will be coming to you effortlessly, which will make you wonder where it has been hiding all of your life. For the second time, you can make you happy. So this is just a sneak peek at this one. I will post a link for you to order a copy too. And this one, Wicked Pussy Perfume by Teddy Eazzy. This is an erotic novel series. I'm going to find a quote in here too. So this one, all men have an unconscious death wish. All of you want to get as close as you can to what can destroy you. To experience the most intense seduction ever, and that's me. Here I am. I am your pleasure. Pursue pleasure at all cost. You need to understand that it is only in the act of self-expression of the pursuit of your own pleasures that you are truly becoming free. So that is part of the introduction of Wicked Pussy Perfume. So this is just a sneak peek at Wicked Pussy Perfume, and I will post the link for you to order a copy today too. And my book, The World is Awakening. I'm going to find a spot to read for you. To find. We must always remember that time is something that we will never get back. So we must cherish every minute. We must live our amazing dreams now because time is so very precious. So this is just a sneak peek. The World is Awakening. I will post the link for you to order a copy too. And Time, Awareness, and Secret Millionaire. Going to... The time to create your dreams for your life is now. Awareness, gratitude, and perception is vital for your future success. Wake up now. In this life, you must take action daily to create your own reality and success destiny for yourself. I will post a link for you to order a copy of my Time, Awareness, and Secret Millionaire. And my famous book, Thank You, Thank You, Thank You. Gratitude is just so wonderful when you actually incorporate it into your life. You will see positive changes when you do practice this daily. So I will post the link for this one. I will read a quote from this one. Gratitude within our mind is one of the most beautiful jewels of wisdom to have in your life. It is the most amazing feeling, and it gives such incredible results from all of the daily effort and having self-control. There is no reason why you can't achieve your dreams and be the person you want to be in your life. You have to decide to take action to all of your goals every single day. So I will post the link for Thank You, Thank You, Thank You. Oh, and I thank you for watching my video today. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. It would mean so very much to me. And I hope you've enjoyed my video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.